Welcome back to Whiskey Thieves. I'm Joe the Baker.
What's up? I'm Joey.
It's Joey! Joey's back! Oh my God, it's good seeing you, man.
You too, man. You've been like on some journeys. I see some adventures.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell us about it?
So last week, I went out to Kentucky for work and had the pleasure of going to a couple of distilleries, one of which was Wilderness Trail, and they gave me a VIP tour of the facility. If you guys are interested, the link will be above or in the description below, and you too can learn what makes Wilderness Trail unique.
You said work?
Yeah, I actually
I
had
haven't figured out where the work part.
In the beginning of the week, and then the end of the week, I decided to go ahead and take some time to do my second job, or actually my passion.
Work that.
Yeah, cool. No, it was awesome. So, dude,
I lived through you vicariously.
Yeah. Sometimes we have to.
Yeah. No, I saw your Facebook post. I was like, what the hell? He's in freaking Kentucky.
I know, dude. Trust me, I fanboyed out that whole week. But now I brought home one of their family reserve ryes. It's a sweet mash made out of 50% rye, 30% corn, and 11% barley.
And it's cask strength.
It is a cask strength. Yeah, it's at 105. So, you know, I'm expecting a little bit of heat, but not a lot, right? It's a sweet mash, so I'm expecting a little bit more sweetness to it.
And what did you say the proof was? 105?
105. Yep. It's aged for 4 years and 8 months. What do you think? Should we pop it open?
Absolutely.
All right, man. Dude, honor's all yours.
Okay.
The first thing I think of is fall. I think of like fall leaves. I don't know why. It's very warm to me.
Yeah.
You know, definitely.
Bobbing for apples. That's what I'm getting right there.
There you go. Cinnamon's coming around.
I was expecting, because you said 56% rye.
Yeah.
That it'd be way more spice and cinnamon, and I don't get that. I get way more fruit.
Yeah. Cheers. Cheers there, Nick. Yeah, come in there, man. All right. Cheers. Going for the taste. God, I know, I promised I'd never use this word again, but that effing smooth. And there's no other word to say it. Like,
okay, I know why you're saying it's smooth.
Yeah, why?
First of all, it's because there's so many little cool characteristics about it up on top, and it's not off-putting.
Yeah.
So most times that you drive in any kind of like cask strength, you're gonna go ahead and get like right? And you look forward to the second and third drink.
No,
and the first
I'm not
drink,
blaming, I'm not throwing out heat. That's
that-
why I think fall, right? I'm thinking pumpkin pie, I'm thinking peach pie, I'm thinking allspice, right?
Now that makes sense with allspice, because it's not like a cinnamon stick. Somewhere in like the first year, we experimented with like the nugget pick, but this by far is way better. I don't remember having all these notes. There's got to be something about this expression that's making it pop off, because I don't remember having near as much sweet flavors. Very comfortable. I want to keep going.
Let's keep going. I think you can get this at Total Wine. Can't be positive. I know this is one of their family reserves, so if you can, grab it. Definitely like the other expressions, so
Make sure you like and comment.
Oh yeah, definitely. Hit us up at Whiskey Thieves TV, both on Instagram and Facebook.
And smash that like button. Smash that thing, baby.
Smash us.
Like a sweet mash.
Look at this guy.
Look at that.
Hey, stay sane. Cheers, guys. Oh, that was perfect.